Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Rockstar Games launcher not opening error. So this basically happens when the virus protection on your Windows blocks the Rockstar Games client from opening. So we're going to go to our virus protection, virus and threat protection. And then we're going to go virus and threat protection settings. We can manage the settings. And then you're going to scroll down to exclusions. So this is going to tell our virus protection that it doesn't have to look over the Rockstar Games client and so on. So add or remove exclusions, add an exclusion, and that's going to be a folder because Rockstar Games is in a folder. So it's on my PC, it's on documents. You need to locate your Rockstar Games file wherever you saved it, and you're going to select that folder. Now your Rockstar Games is excluded from the virus protection, and now when you launch it, it should be fixed. Yeah. There we go. You can log in and play your favorite games.